What's up guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. I know, I am so late to the party, but I finally made it. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are finally doing a Fenty Hair product review. I know it took me a while to do this video, but honestly, when the products came out, I just was not in the mood to do my hair. Okay, I'm just being real. I don't always feel like washing my hair, doing my hair, and all the things. So I just was like, I'm gonna wait till the hype kind of like dies down and then come to y'all with a very honest review. Now, initially, Fenty Hair did not send me any of these products. I did purchase it with my own money. The products that you see in this video, I did purchase. However, about 2 days after I filmed this video, they sent me some products, okay? So I just wanna let that be known. I did purchase the beginning products, the ones here, with my own coins, okay? So no, this is not sponsored by any means. I would say Fenty Hair don't know who I am, but apparently they do. Okay, I know that's right. Before you begin this video, you already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. Let me start this off by letting you guys know that my hair was disgustingly dirty before I did this wash day, okay? So these products really had to work hard. So I started off with the Rich One Shampoo, of course, and I was thoroughly surprised with this shampoo. I felt like my hair felt really moisturized. Depending on your hair type, I can picture this being one of those shampoos that people say they can kind of detangle with. Now, that ain't my hair type, and we already know that, but I can definitely see that happening with some people. My hair felt squeaky clean, and I actually really love the shampoo. I did do a double cleanse. Then I followed up with the, what is this called? The richer one, the deep conditioner, the repair one. Now, the consistency of this was really nice. You guys are going to hear me rave about the packaging at the end of this video, and I really enjoyed the smell, of course. But I will say that I didn't feel this deep conditioner had enough slip for my liking. I need my deep conditioner to slip and slide. Okay, it's giving slip and slide records, and I didn't really feel like this gave me enough slip. And I can always tell by how long it takes me to detangle my hair, and this, I'm not gonna lie, was a bit of a process. I also didn't feel like when I was putting the product in that my hair felt super hydrated, but I will say when I washed my hair, like when I rinsed it out, it has some moisture. So it played a little trick on me because I was like, I don't know too much, and then it turned out to be really good. As y'all can see, the curls is just kind of popping with the detangling. So I'm gonna like rate that product. I'm gonna rate that like a 7.5. Okay, then it was time to style. I didn't do any leave-in, but I used the Homecurl and the Stronghold jelly type. Now, I know a lot of people say you shouldn't mix the two. I thought just using a little bit of both was going to be okay, and we are going to see about that. So with the Homecurl alone, love the consistency of it. I did feel like some of my curls began to pop with it. Obviously not enough for me to do a wash and go, but I thought it would be great for a twist out, so that's what we're doing. I am doing, I would say, like medium sections of hair for my twist out, and I really took my time with this. The amount of gel that I used, guys, it was barely any. Like, it was just a little boop, like a little dab of gel just for that additional hold, because I know my hair and I know that I need hold because I am not about to wash my hair 65 times, okay? And as you can see from one side of my head that I did before, like, it soaked up the product really well. So I had high hopes, and let's get into this length. Yeah, my hair is growing, and I know that's right. Okay, so after, I want to say 2 days, or was it a day? I cannot remember. As you can see, the shrinkage is there. That is a good sign. That means healthy hair. I was like, I didn't feel like my twist looked really shiny like I would have liked. I did feel that the definition was giving. So, I did coat my hands with some oil, and guys, look at the front of my hair. Look at it. The flaking was killing me. It wasn't eaten. The flaking wasn't eaten. It wasn't eaten at all. So I was pretty disappointed in that. I ended up rinsing out the front and just retwisting the front. That is how I feel about those products. I would never use those two together ever again, but I definitely think I would try the Homecurl by itself for sure. Alright y'all, now that you've heard all of my thoughts on the products that I've used, let's get into the end result. This is about day 5 hair right here, and I did retwist the front because you guys saw the little bit of flaking that I had going on. You saw it. And I will say, I do like the hold. It's a very soft hold, but you can still definitely see some definition in my hair. I thought by now it would just be a frizzy mess, but no, you can definitely see some definition. Obviously, the con for me is going to be the flaking. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Now, I am a little bit heavy-handed, so that could just be user error, but from what I've seen, I did see quite a few people experience flaking as well. So if we could just get that fixed, I will be happy. But if I had to highlight one product in this entire video, it is going to be the shampoo. Surprisingly, I'm never the one to just sit here and rave about a shampoo. I'm always about like the stylers or the deep conditioners. But I want to say the Rich One is the one, okay? She is that girl. The smell of these products need to be put in a body oil, a body butter, a fragrance of some sort, because my God, they smell so good. But the shampoo gave me moisturizing shampoo. It just felt really, really good in my hair. It didn't make my hair feel stripped. So I really, really love the shampoo. And I'm gonna say this is a definite purchase if you are trying to figure out one thing to buy. I definitely see that the brand is going to do bigger things. I think they got a lot of great constructive criticism with everybody's reviews, and I'm excited to see what else they drop. I am picturing more styling products. I'm thinking a wash and go gel. Because all the girls are begging for it. We said we see this gel and we know it's just for slick back styles. That's cute. But the girls love a good gel for a wash and go. And I feel like Riri, she heard us. I just feel it in my spirit. She heard us, and she's probably in the lab cooking it up right now. As I'm talking to y'all, she is in the lab cooking up a gel for wash and goes. I also hope she comes out with like a foaming mousse, because mousse has been kind of my thing lately. And if I can have a mousse with that scent that gives me great definition and hold, ring up about 5 of them. If you can send me one, that'd be great, but I don't mind purchasing about 5 of them. So hopefully that is something to come as well. That would be amazing. I think what she really like knocked it out the park, and I know it's all about the content inside of the packaging, but the packaging to these products are so beautiful. All of the colors, the textures to the tub. I love this like flip open situation here. I think that is amazing. I think the scent obviously is top tier. I want to say she just like really killed it with the packaging. Like she really ate that up. She ate that up real bad. I said all that to say I really like some of the products. I don't absolutely love it. I don't see these things being my holy grail as of yet. I think there just need to be some tweaking as far as like the flaking is concerned. I would definitely be using the home curl again. Just wouldn't combine it with the Stronghold Jelly Gel ever again and use a lot less product, because like I said, this twist out did come out really cute. I think this is one of my best twist outs I've done in a minute, especially after letting it get some volume. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope it taught you a little thing or two. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And leave a comment down below of what you think of Fenty Hair. The girls want to know. On my lips today, we got that new Fenty Beauty gloss bomb sticks and the new Trace Style lip liners. Those is real cute too. Now she ate that up real bad, but this is not about that. But I'm just here to tell you, if you think about getting something Fenty related, you need to get these lip liners and lipsticks. Okay, but yes guys, I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Now why would they honk right when I'm doing the outro?